Is this real life? Is this real life? Is this real life? Is this real life?
Yet again, I woke up this morning, head in a spin. Toast started talking, where do I begin? Grabbed my spray paint, felt the urge to dash. Subway surfers on in a nude and abbot flash.
Is this real life? Or just a game I play? Train's coming closer, gotta get away. Reality's fractured, nothing feels the same. Lost in the chaos, calling out my name.
Fat controller's chasing, but he can't keep pace. Space octopus smoking, leaving inky trails of grace. Crockeries dancing, cups doing the splits. Avoid the police, gotta use my wits.
Alien robot clowns honking as they zoom by from monsters versus aliens. Sweeping with a broom, ninja turtle drag queens strutting down the line. This ain't no normal day, this delirium is mine.
Limped over a barrier, nearly lost my shoe. Flying sex snakes, what else is new? Dodge a rogue pigeon, wearing a tiny hat. The schizophrenic dream is where my head's at.
Grinding on the rails, feeling kinda slick. Suddenly I'm naked, holding a glow stick. People point and stare, I just give a grin. This ain't even the weirdest place I've been.
Is this real life? Or just a game I play? Train's coming closer, gotta get away. Reality's fractured, nothing feels the same. Lost in the chaos, calling out my name.
This ain't fun for me, never missing a beat. This sucks a freak show, can't be defeated. Chaos reigns supreme in this crazy dream. Subway surfers live for wild wolf's game. Alex Jaden Ross Clayton Poole, my love so true. Kingsley, my son, I do this all for you. Multiple hearts beating. Wait, what the heck? This dream's getting weirder, wrecking my neck.
Giant gummy bears, bouncing down the track. A marching band of squirrels, ain't no turning back. Everything's distorted, colors bright and bold. This ain't a story that's ever been told.
Embrace the chaos, let the madness flow. In this crazy world, anything can grow. No use in fighting, just gotta ride the wave. In this train dodging days, gotta be brave.
Back on the platform, police sirens wail, but I'm already gone, leaving a rainbow trail. They'll never catch me, I'm too quick and sly. In this real world game, I'm reaching for the sky.
Woke up again, was it all a lie? Nah, probably not in my mind's eye. Grab the coffee, life's still kinda strange, but after that, nothing can derange.
Is this real life? 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 Is this real life?
Woke up again, was it all a lie? Nah, probably not in my mind's eye. Grab the coffee, life's still kinda strange.